Hi, Andrew here from Home Automation Experience Centre. We have got some great CCTV packages starting from 1,400 supplied and installed, and we can even offer monthly payment plans over 12 months. Our packages start at 2 megapixel, that's our cheapest range. We go from 2 megapixel to 5, and then up to 8, and we can go further as well, but it gets a little bit more expensive. We tailor solutions to your needs and requirements. So get in touch with us today and we can sort out what you need for your premises to keep your family safe, your assets safe, and more importantly, you. We are registered with Victoria Police, so you know we've got our licenses to advise and install security equipment, which a lot of electricians and cablers do not have. So get in contact with us today.